How is that situation different? Gronk theoretically doesn't want to play for any team other than the Bucks and won't play for the Pats. That's what I'm saying. He thinks the Pats can get a fourth for Gronk out of pure spite. If Gronk was Dixie Boy Truck Stop open 24 feet 7 diesel service dinner shower arcade vintage shirt, they could get a bidding war. But if Gronk only wants to play with TB, then they'll get a sixth if Tampa is feeling generous. The more likely scenario is like what the Dixie Boy Truck Stop open 24 feet 7 diesel service dinner shower arcade vintage shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I def see it happening. Maybe a fourth and sixth. Or a third. But in reality, probably a fifth would do it. If Gronk says that he would only play for TB or stay retired, then a sixth or seventh would do it. It would literally be a free pick for NE that they wouldn't Dixie Boy Truck Stop open 24 feet 7 diesel service dinner shower arcade vintage shirts. Belichick will make a deal where Gronk can play for the Bucks, but his other product